Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making Mississippi pot roast in the slow cooker. Let's begin. We have here beef chuck, boneless chuck roast, and it's a little bit over 3.5 pounds. For this recipe you can use 3 to 4 pounds of beef chuck roast. Let's open it up. We're going to take the chuck roast and put it in the slow cooker. Just like that. First we're going to add Hidden Valley Original Ranch Seasoning Dressing Mix. We're going to open it up. Pour the 1 packet on top of the beef chuck roast. There we go. 1 packet of McCormick au jus gravy mix. Open it up and just pour it on top. Next we'll need 5 pepperoncini peppers and 1/4 cup of the juice. We're going to put 5 in here. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll need 1/4 cup of the pepperoncini juice from the jar. There you go, that's 1/4 cup. We'll just get poured on top. And lastly, we'll need 1 stick of Kerrygold pure Irish butter, unsalted. Open it up and just place it on top of the beef. And that's it. This is what it looks like before we cover it up. We're going to set it to low and we're going to leave it here for 9 hours. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 9 hours. We're going to turn it from low to warm. Let's remove the cover. Looking good. We're going to take 2 forks and break the beef apart. It's nice and tender. Soft too. Okay, looking good. We broke everything apart. We're going to put the pot roast aside. I typically like to eat Mississippi pot roast with some white rice. Or sometimes I like to eat it with hoagie buns. Let's put some white rice on a plate. We have some white rice on a plate, and let's take some beef and put it on top. It's nice, tender, and juicy. Next, we're going to take some of the beef and put it on a hoagie bun. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, Mississippi pot roast made in a slow cooker. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.